Welcome to our English learning session. Today, we're diving into a common scenario. Ordering coffee, learning basic phrases for a coffee shop conversation can boost your confidence and fluency. We'll cover essential vocabulary and practice a simple dialogue. Let's get started. Our first scene takes place inside a bustling coffee shop. Watch as our customer, Person A, approaches the counter. Person A starts the conversation politely. Listen carefully to his greeting. "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?" Person B, the barista, responds with a common question to understand the order. "Sure, what kind of coffee would you like?" Person A specifies his choice. "A latte is a popular coffee drink. A latte, please." Now, the barista asks about the size. This is a key vocabulary word. And what size? Person A chooses medium. Remember, sizes often include small, medium, and large. "Medium, please." The barista checks if the customer wants anything else. This is a very useful phrase. "Anything else for you today?" Person A politely declines, indicating his order is complete. "No, thank you. That's all." The barista states the total price. This is a common closing phrase. "Okay, that will be $5. Person A hands over the money. "Here you go" is a casual way to give something. "Here you go." The barista thanks the customer and informs them about the wait time. "Thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a moment." Person A expresses gratitude. A simple "thanks" is perfectly fine, thanks. Now, let's break down some key vocabulary from that conversation. Understanding these words will help you. First, size. This refers to the dimensions of something like a coffee cup. Small, medium, large. Next, medium. This is the middle size. Not too big and not too small. It's a common choice. Then, anything else. This phrase is used to ask if you want additional items or services, and that's all. You use this to confirm you have finished ordering or requesting something. Finally, in a moment. This means very soon or in a short period of time. It's a polite way to indicate a brief wait. Now, let's repeat the entire conversation, but this time we'll go a bit slower. This will help you practice your pronunciation. Imagine you are Person A, walking up to the counter. Take a deep breath and prepare to speak. "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?" "Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?" "A latte, please, and what size?" "Medium, please. Anything else for you today?" "No, thank you. That's all." "Okay, that will be $5. "Here you go, thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a moment. Thanks. Great job." Repeating these phrases helps them stick in your memory. Let's try it one more time, a little faster now. "Hi, can I get a coffee, please?" "Sure. What kind of coffee would you like?" "A latte, please. And what size?" "Medium, please." "Anything else for you today?" "No, thank you. That's all." "Okay, that will be $5. "Here you go, thank you. Your coffee will be ready in a moment. Thanks." You've done a fantastic job practicing this conversation. Remember, consistency is key to improving your English. Keep practicing this dialogue and don't be afraid to use these phrases in real-life situations. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this lesson helps you feel more confident at the coffee shop.